Hello, this is Bob Fanelli with Riverview Homes, and I'm here in one of our Cavco modulars, and I wanted to talk to you a few minutes about financing. One of the first questions that every customer asks is how do we get this house financed? And there's really just three options. One is to pay cash. A lot of our customers have sold a house, or they're moving to a new area, and they have the money in their checking account and they write a check. That's the quickest way. That's the easiest way. If you're going on to rented property or property that you don't own, then an installment loan is what is necessary if you need to borrow money. Most banks do not do installment loans direct to the customer, so you'd almost always have to go through a dealer like Riverview to get a loan. They're sometimes called chattel loans. You finance just the house. You would need a down payment. It's more like a car loan than a home loan. There's a lot more paperwork. There's a higher interest rate, but typically there's no closing costs. So the rate's a little higher and the term's a little shorter than a regular mortgage. And the conventional mortgage is the standard way, the most common way that customers are financing new manufactured homes or modulars. The advantage to a mortgage is, well, first of all, you can go just about to any bank and get one. They're the same mortgage that anybody would get that's building a home or buying a home. There's really no difference. You can package in together the house and the land improvements. You do have to own the land. The land has to be in your name. You do need to have equity in the land. They use the equity as your down payment, though sometimes you may need additional cash. You may want to put additional cash down, but they'll finance the whole house, the ground, all the site improvements to the ground can all be rolled into one package. They're typically 30 years. We do see a lot of 20-year mortgages. The rates are lower, but you do have closing costs. So there's advantages and disadvantages to all of them. Sometimes you're kind of forced into a type of financing depending on how the home is being placed. But Riverview Homes and all of our people here are prepared to lend you a hand and walk you through it and get you the best loan for you for the house you want to buy. I hope you enjoy watching the videos. I hope you learned something from them. We enjoy doing them, and thank you for watching.